Hey everyone, I want to show you how to log into StudySync in case you have forgot. Okay, so you have this mymheducation.com. It's not StudySync that you're going to want to log into. Here's your log on page. So some of you have last name, first name. Some of you have first initial 510. Whatever your username is, that goes there. And then of course your password. Okay, so once you get to the next page, you want to go to launch. After that, hover until you get that like Mickey Mouse hand, that's what I call it. Click it. And then you should have your assignments. Make sure you are reading your Google Classroom. For some reason, there are times when other assignments pop up. You just want to be doing the ones that that you have been assigned on Google Classroom, okay? So when you click there, each one has your sections up here of what I want you to do, okay? All right, let me know if you have any problems. Thanks, guys.